So the scents I want for the summer are this citrus scent that I got from Eternal Essence, and citrus is the summer fragrance. Um, so I have 6 of them that I want to do, and I want to do a combination of sugar scrubs. I made a lime sugar scrub, and I'm gonna test it out later. Of sugar scrubs, body oils, and body butters. I'm gonna do emulsified body butters for the summer because it is summer. My body butters that I do that are not emulsified will be more towards fall and wintertime. But the emulsified body butters that I make for the summer feel so, so good on my skin. Like this one is an emulsified body butter that I made. And it smells like pineapple paradise. That's what it smells like to me. But I love citrus. I love summertime. I love glowy skin. So I want to do some citrus themed soaps, butters, and body oils for this summer. So the first one I did was lime. You can't see that, but I'm gonna put it. Was lime. This one. And it smells so, so good. So obviously the top notes are lime, lemon, and nougat. I can't say it, but it smells like Lily of the Valley. If you've ever smelled that perfume or you ever smelled that scent, it smells decadent. It smells edible, like you want to eat it. Middle notes are lilac and eucalyptus, but they're not very, very strong, but you know that they're there. And then the base notes are powdered vanilla. Oh, man. I'd want to walk around smelling like a lime powdered donut or a powdered cupcake. That's what the lime smells like to me. And then I have this one. Where is it? The pineapple fragrance smelled delicious. Like, it smells so good. Pineapple. This is what it looks like. Pineapple. Yeah. Of course, base top notes of pineapple, grapefruit, and orange. Base notes, sugary, powdered raspberry. It smells good. The middle notes are peach and banana. I do pick up on the peach and I pick up on the banana, but it's not like overpowering. You're not gonna walk around smelling like a banana unless you want to, but it smells so good. The next fragrance is lemon sugar. Top notes, lemon, grapefruit, orange, and apple. This is what it looks like. Lemon sugar. Middle notes, jasmine and plum with violet. And then the base notes are sugary vanilla and tonka bean. It smells like this would be a good body oil. This smells like it would be a night out or an evening out. You're going to brunch, but you don't want to put on a whole bunch of lotion. You want to glisten. You want your body to be shimmery and shiny. A good body oil. That's what this smells like to me. Like, it smells like I just want to rub it everywhere. Cute little scent. Especially in, like, here, all my high heat points, and just smell like a sugary lemon pound cake all day long. And then you got lemongrass. I love lemongrass. That's what it looks like. And it's just that it's a lemon grassy aroma, but it's not like overpowering. It doesn't hurt my nose. It smells really, really good. With earthy undertones, I really do like that. Lemongrass is, to me, it's perfect. This would make a great soap. This would make a great soap, a great body wash. That's what the lemongrass I would make with it. So lemon blossom. That's what the lemon blossom looks like. It's a big, not big. It has big scent. It has a powerful, oh man. That smells so good. Yeah. It's like lemon, like a Sprite. It smells like Sprite or 7-Up. Eucalyptus, It's really, really good. The base notes are woody and soft and powdery. The middle notes are petitgreen, but it smells like 7 Up to me. It smells really, really good. Like a real citrus. That's what I would want in a soap or in a body butter. And then our last one is grapefruit. Looks like this one. That smells delicious. That smells so good. And then the grapefruit, again, looks like this. Top notes are fresh lemon peel, zesty grapefruit. Middle notes are a blend of bergamot. I like bergamot in anything. It smells so delicious. It smells like edible. With base notes of dry citrus and fruity undertones, it smells really, really good. So I have 6 of them, and I'm thinking of a combination of soaps, body butter, body oil, but I'm not sure yet. I want to prepare for a craft fair, and they have one coming up, so I got to get ready for that. So I was thinking about doing, I also have the pineapple fragrance that I did for my emulsified body butter, and it smells like a sweet treat. That's what I want to call it. Probably like sweet treats, because it smells really, really good. They smell edible. And I have a few of these. So it's just like I won't run out of fragrance, and I can test everything that I've made. I started with the sugar scrub. I made it, and it's like so wet. Let me try it. Because I don't keep them like out in my room or in the house or anything. I have a small mini fridge for all my butters and stuff, and that's where I keep every product that I make. And you can see like it's like frozen, like the sugar is frozen, because I don't want to keep it like out. Yes, you can, of course you can. You're gonna do that when you leave it in the bathroom. I just prefer not to. I just put it in the fridge. But what I use when I use my scrubs is this exfoliating mitten. It's kind of like dry brushing, and I put it on like this, and I go, and it has a little split in the middle, so you can split your hands like that. And I just dry brush, of course, on dry skin, and I just do it upwards. But when I'm exfoliating like that, I use this mitten, and it helps. You can just switch it around when you get here too, and it makes my skin so smooth and soft. And I just scrub and I just brush my skin. I don't try to scrub too hard when I'm doing the sugar scrub, but I do here, here, and I just work my way upwards, up like this when I am using the scrub. And I do it while I'm in the shower, because the sugar scrub can get kind of messy. But this sugar scrub I made, it smells like the lime citrus. It has that sugary smell, and even when you wash it off, it has that lime citrus, and it smells like you want to eat it, but it's not edible. And it's very moisturizing to my skin, and I can notice the difference. I'll put a clip. Like, I notice the difference between my skin of when I'm using it and when I don't use it. So that's what I want to do for this summer. I want to get my scents ready. I want to prepare for the craft fair, and I still need and I don't want to buy labels. You know what I'm saying? It gets expensive, especially when you're making like multiple products. So like, I have a thermal printer, I have a regular printer. I just really need to know how to make it. So of course I'm gonna go to YouTube University, and it'll teach me. But that's what I want to do for this summer. That's the fragrances that I want to start to experiment and make. So hopefully I'll be ready for my first craft fair at the end of April. Hopefully by the end of April.